What if I told you you could transport your viewers to a completely different world? I bet you've seen one of these transitions before and wondered, how the heck did they do that? Well, today I'm breaking down the exact same steps to create these 5 game-changing effects that will make your videos absolutely irresistible using just one free editing tool, our friend CapCut. Let's dive in. First up, we have this amazing phone transition effect where I show you something on my phone and then we literally dive into the phone screen to reveal a completely different scene. Here's how to do it. Firstly, record yourself holding your phone and showing the screen to the camera. Then record your second scene or simply grab a pre-recorded video from your phone. This will be what appears inside the phone. In CapCut, you want to add both the clips onto the timeline. Make sure that the clip that has the green screen or where you're holding your phone is at the top and your second clip is at the bottom. What you'll do next is you want to move the clip to where you're now showing the phone, where the green screen appears, and you want to pause there. Once you have paused there, I need you to click on video at the top, click remove background, chroma key, and color picker. Then you're going to select this green screen and click on it. Then you want to move your second clip to where that green screen appears so that when you're showing the phone, that clip is inside that phone. Then adjust the intensity to whatever is needed. I will adjust it here to 36, I think. And yeah, then you've got your smooth phone transition and your audience is taken to another world. Let's add the second clip, which is the text inside video reveal. I'm going to show you how to create text that has a video playing inside it. This is perfect for travel content especially. Let's get to it. Start with your background video in CapCut. Put it on the timeline and then add a default text. So we'll drag that on here and then we're going to type Dubai. So Dubai. There we go. So if you want to change the font, and I suggest you change your font, on the right hand side, you've got the font and you've got the type of font. So I'll go with Sans. With this one, you just need to increase the font size so at least it is clear and it's big and bold, okay? After typing the text on here, hide the track for the video underneath. So after you've hidden the track, if you're able to save it, save this or export it as a still image. If your CapCut doesn't allow you, mine doesn't allow me to do that, you will then just screenshot this image here. So we'll screenshot that quickly. Perfect. After we've screenshotted the Dubai, what you're going to do is you're going to delete the text here, add media. So you'll import that screenshot that we've just done now of the Dubai, import it back on here, and then add it now then to the timeline. If you need to drag it, just drag it a little bit. Obviously not towards the end of the video underneath, but just almost right over here. So you'll drag it to here so that of course when the text is done revealing, then our video will show like this. So how to get that effect now, let's get to that. So you'll keep the second track or the track underneath hidden. So our main focus right now is the text Dubai, okay? So you want to click on the very beginning of that text and you want to put a keyframe on the scale here because the scale is what's going to help us zoom. So now we're putting a keyframe. Then you will move forward in the middle about 50% through. You will then increase the scale to 500%. And then a keyframe will automatically appear. And then at the end of this clip, you will also increase the scale so that it is fully engulfed. There we go. So now we've got Dubai zooming in and zooming in there. So because Dubai now is like that, we can unhide this clip underneath, right? Keep the cursor on the top clip and then go on blend on the right hand side and select multiply. And you will see Dubai will be inside your text like that. And that is how you create this effect where a clip is opening inside a text that you have on your video. Perfect. Let us move on to the third video. So this third effect is actually one of my favorites, and let me show you how. Record yourself walking past where you want the text to appear firstly, and then in CapCut add your video to the timeline, and then add your text. So you're going to add the text, default text, and then you're going to write whatever text you wanted to write. So I'm going to write here text reveal and position it where you want it to appear. Okay, so I'll then just position it right here so that it can appear behind me, like behind my back basically. Okay, now duplicate that clip and put it on top so that the text is actually in the middle of the two clips like this. Okay, now that the clip is duplicated, you're going to select that top clip, click on the mask icon and add a mask. You're going to select the split icon. Then you're going to rotate it and drag it to the left. If you are coming from the right hand side going left, you're going to do the opposite in that instance. So right now I'm going from the left hand side to the right hand side. We are going to move this line to the left just before the text appears. And then from that moment where I want the text to appear, I'm going to add a keyframe. So on the mask option, don't move from that mask. If you scroll a little bit down, you'll see position. Add a keyframe on position right there, and then move this line on the screen, and then you want to move the line also on the clip, so that automatically gives you another keyframe, and then you will move the line on the clip, and then you'll also move the line on the screen. So you'll keep doing this until you are finished creating your text. So I'm going to speed up this process quickly. Perfect. Now let us watch our text reveal video. There you go. And there you have it. Now you are walking and text is revealing behind you. So this is also great for travel vlogs or any vlog where you want to actually educate people about something, or you want to let people know about a product or whatever it is that you want to advertise. So this is basically for anything that you actually want to put out there, and I really, really love this effect. And now we will move on to effect number 4, where we actually put a text behind you. So that this one is quite easy. So here's how to achieve this. Record your video where you'll be moving around. Then once that video is on your timeline, I need you to add the text, whatever text you want to put right on top of that video. So I'm going to write how to have text behind you. Great. Now that we have that, we're going to duplicate the clip that is at the bottom. So now we want to duplicate the clip at the bottom like that. And then now that clip we've duplicated obviously needs to be above the text. So the text is in the middle of both these clips like this. Okay. Select the duplicated clip, go to remove background and select auto removal, and there you have it. This one is very, very simple. So you've got your text behind you while you are busy doing whatever you're doing, and the text is a part of you as well on this one. Now finally, let's talk about tracking and checking objects. This is perfect for pointing out specific things in your videos or adding check marks to items. So here is the process. Import your video where you want to track the object. So you'll take your video, put it on the timeline. Once you've put it in the timeline, you want to for this one, I'm going to add a text instead of an object, right? Because it's easier. So I'll just add a text like that. Tracking. So it's track, right? Then you want to go up there to click tracking and motion tracking. Once you click motion tracking, it'll say both direction, which direction. So I leave it at both so that it tracks either way. And then you want to then, adjust this tracking thing to go to where you want it to track. So whatever thing you want it to track, then you're going to adjust it right here, this yellow box over here. And then that thing you want to track, you want it to be inside the yellow box. So just zoom out a little bit. So currently I just wanted to track my hand like this. Okay. Okay, there we go. So now this is now tracking my hand. So let's have a look here. Give me one moment. It's going to load a bit. There we go. It's done tracking. So now when you play this clip is now, this word is now following my hand wherever my hand goes. And this is a cool effect if maybe you have an object on you or you want to emphasize on something. So this is the way to do it. And there you have it, 5 amazing CapCut effects that will seriously upgrade your content game. These techniques are perfect whether you're a travel blogger, daily content creator, or just someone who wants to make their videos more engaging. Which effect are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!